back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to withdraw funds from Gemini to bank safely. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to withdraw funds from Gemini to bank safely, all you can do is simply go to your Gemini account. So once you go to Gemini account, you can simply have the USD withdrawn to your Gemini account if you have it available on your account. You can simply transfer funds to your linked bank account in your name using one of the methods like bank transfer, available for domestic US banks only, or wire transfer, a faster alternative for sending funds to your linked bank account. So these are the ways you can simply withdraw funds from Gemini to bank safely. Gemini uses 100% trusted linked bank accounts to send funds, so you can be assured about getting your trust, or you can getting your funds on time, quickly and efficiently. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.